Hey guys, so for number 41, we're going to simplify, and if it's not a real number, we're going to go ahead and say so. So just to recap what a radical is, here we have the index, and then here we have the radicand. The index can either be even or odd, the radicand can be positive or negative. When the radicand is negative and the index is even, the answer is going to be imaginary. For all other possibilities, the answer is going to be real. So here our radicand is 81, so it is positive, and our index is 2, so it is even. Our index is 2 because right over here there's nothing specifically written. When there's nothing specifically written there, it's automatically by default a 2. So it looks like we're going to have a real number. All right. So in negative square root of 81, because the index right here is 2, we're looking for factors of 81 that can be grouped up into groups of 2. So let's go ahead and break down 81 into its smallest factors. So I would recommend always using prime factorization. Prime factorization is where you grab the smallest factor of whatever's in here and you keep factoring it with that factor. So for example, the smallest factor of 81 is 3. So I'm going to write the 3 here, and then the other factor, which is 27, and then I'm going to keep going with that 3. So 27 can also be factored into 3 and 9. The 9 can also be factored into the 3 and 3. Now we're going to go ahead and write our radical again with the factors of 81. And it looks like we have 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So the index being 2 means that we're looking for groups of 2. So right here we have one group, and then right over here we have another group. So I'm taking out 2 groups of 2 3s. Now I'm left with nothing inside the radical, so I can just erase that. And I am left with negative 3 times 3. My 3 times 3 is going to be 9. And then I'm just going to bring down the negative. So my answer is negative 9.